How do you get access to the engine compartment 8, 9, 10? But don't forget, wait a second, I have an extra battery here. So this question comes up a lot. How do you get access to the engine compartment underneath the seat in the SeaDoo Explorer Pro? Well, first thing is to take off both seats. So you unclip here on this side, here on this side, then back seat is off. Then the front main seat, there's a lever here, up and out. But wait a second, there is still more to take off to get access to the full engine compartment, because right now, just with both seats off, you do have some access here to do things like check oil, check your coolant, but to get access to further back in the hull, you must take this panel here off. So in order to take this panel off, there's a number of screws on each side, and down below here, you must take off with a Torx 30 or T30 screwdriver. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But don't forget these additional 3 here. 10, 11, 12, 13. Now you might be thinking, wait a second, I have an extra battery here on my SeaDoo Explorer Pro. Is that stock or is it not? It is totally not stock. It's an additional battery, so additional power, so you can have additional accessories such as the GPS and so on and so forth. So you may not have this here in your ski, but it is possible to install it directly. Wires in to your other battery as well. It gives you additional power for auxiliary items. If you love the SeaDoo life and outdoor water adventures, my name is Dean and this is Chase Your Wave Adventures. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next wave.